The judge pounded the gravel on the table, guilty as charged, to be hung on the gallows. The accused murderer pleads with the judge, allow me to return home one last time, to bid farewell, to hug my family and my children for the very last time. The judge looks at him. You'll never return. How can I grant you such a wish? And as the story goes, his friend stands up. I'll be human collateral. Let him go. I promise you he'll return. They make a date. A month from now, if you are not back, your friend will be hung instead of you. And everybody knows that that day came, the clock was ticking. He wasn't showing up. They take the friend. They put him up on the gallows. They tie the noose around his neck. They're about to kick the bucket. And suddenly in the distance someone is yelling, stop, stop, I'm here. Everyone turns around. They see the accused murderer running back with all his might. Runs up on top of the platform, takes the noose off his head, puts it around his. And his friend protests and he says, no, he didn't come on time. I'm the one who's going to be taking his place. The debate goes back and forth, comes to the king. And the king listens to both sides and he says, look, you're both acquitted. But I just beg you one thing. I've never seen such friendship in my life. Allow me to join this friendship as well. Said the holy religion that open up your hearts, my friends. Love your fellow as yourself. Ani Hashem Elokeichem. You know what God says? When He sees two people loving each other, He sees real friendship. He says, wow. Ani Hashem Elokeichem, I'm here too. Please include me in your friendship. I'd like to be one with you. I want to share that experience together with you today.